other hand, provided a comprehensive visual representation of the building, making it easier for the engineers to understand the structure and its issues. It also allowed them to simulate various repair scenarios, helping them determine the most efficient and cost-effective solution. The result? The firm was able to complete the investigation in less than half the time it would have taken using conventional methods. Moreover, the accuracy of the findings was significantly improved, reducing the risk of overlooking critical issues. The integration of AI and BIM not only expedited the process, but also enhanced the quality of the investigation. It proved to be a game changer, transforming the way forensic engineering is conducted. By harnessing the power of AI and BIM, the firm was able to deliver a more efficient, accurate, and timely solution, setting a new standard in the field. This case study is a testament to the power of AI and BIM integration in forensic engineering. From this case study, we can extract some compelling insights. The integration of artificial intelligence with building information modeling, or AI BIM, has revolutionized the realm of forensic engineering. This dynamic duo, AI and BIM, offers a potent blend of precision and efficiency. BIM provides a detailed three-dimensional model of a structure, and AI leverages this data, identifying patterns and anomalies that might go unnoticed by the human eye. The benefits are manifold. For starters, it's a time saver. AI BIM integration reduces the time spent in data collection and analysis, allowing engineers to focus more on problem solving. It also enhances accuracy by minimizing human error, a critical factor in forensic engineering. Moreover, it holds immense potential for the future. Predictive analytics, real-time monitoring, and automated reporting are just a few of the possibilities that this integration promises. As the world continues to evolve, so does the field of forensic engineering. The integration of AI and BIM is just the beginning of this exciting